You're watching All Things Antonia. I hope you subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I'm going to do something a little different. So I placed an order with the Grove Collaborative, and if you're not familiar, the Grove Collaborative is just an online company. They sell household cleaning products. They also sell pet care items, personal care items. They have baby and kids items, mom and pregnancy items, and the good thing about this company is that the products are natural ingredients, organic ingredients. They are animal cruelty free, so that's a plus. All natural cleaning products. You don't have to deal with those chemicals and wondering if this is safe for me to even breathe right now, especially if you're pregnant or if you have babies crawling around on the floor, or if you have pets in your home, things like that. So I placed an order with them, and I just wanted to unbox this and show you guys what I got. I will leave a link to the website down below. Also, if you decide to place an order with them, I do have a link you can go through as well. If you place an order for $20, then you get to choose 5 free products, and these are good products that you get to choose from as well. So I'll leave all the information in the description box. Also, if you have any questions, you can leave those in the comment section for me as well. So let's just go ahead and get started. The first item that I have here is just this box of ultra soft tissues, and it looks like this. These are 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane, and you get 92 ply sheets in this box as well. I figured I always buy a box of Kleenex to go on my desk at work, so I figured I would just go ahead and try out some of their tissues. And these are made of bamboo. It says that bamboo is ready for harvesting in as little as 3 months, while trees take 20 plus years. Bamboo absorbs 5 times as much carbon dioxide as trees. There were no pesticides used in growing this bamboo. Also, their sugar cane is a byproduct of sugar manufacturing, upcycled to make this product. And this variety of bamboo is not a source of food for panda bears. So yes, and also I should mention that proceeds from this product go to support the Arbor Day Foundation. Their goal is to plant more than 100,000 new trees annually to help regenerate struggling forests across the U.S. So the next product that I have is just this pack of dishwashing detergent packs, and there's 20 in here. These are free and clear, so they are free of fragrances, dyes, chlorine, bleach, all those harmful chemicals. This is USDA certified bio-based product, and let's see, it is for your dishwasher. These came in just in time. I actually just used my last one today, so I'm excited to try these little dishwasher packs and see how well they work. And it does say that these are not tested on animals. There's no animal ingredients in here as well. And it does have a list of the ingredients on the back here, right here, and you actually can pronounce all of the ingredients in there. So again, I'm excited to see how these work as well. Oh, and I should mention that these are by the brand 7th Generation right here. Okay, so the next product that I have is this antibacterial toilet cleaner, and they all come with this tape on them during shipping, so I'm just going to take that tape off here. But this is by the Method brand, as you can see here, and it's an antibacterial toilet cleaner. This says that they use citric acid to purge dirt and germs. It kills 99.9% of household germs, including influenza and many other things listed on the back here. So I'm very excited to use this. It just comes with this little nozzle. It says that you squirt under your toilet rim, and you leave it for 10 minutes and then you scrub, and that's it. So seems like it'll be very easy to use. My plan is actually to do a clean with me video, so you guys will actually see me use these products and probably give like a first impression of them, maybe, I don't know, or maybe in a separate video just do a review of the products. And as I place like future orders, you'll be able to see what products I'm using and how well they work as well. Okay, and then the next cleaning product that I ordered is the Method Anti-Bac bathroom cleaner. So this is just kind of like a general bathroom cleaner. It says it cleans bathroom surfaces, sinks and fixtures, tubs, glazed tile, and toilet seats. And it says that you, to clean, just spray the surface and wipe clean. If you need to disinfect the surface, spray until thoroughly wet, let stand for 10 minutes, and then wipe clean. And to sanitize non-food contact, hard, non-porous surfaces, spray until thoroughly wet, let stand for 5 minutes, and then and just wipe it clean at that point. So this also says that it kills 99.9% of household germs, including the flu, let's see, a flu virus, salmonella, and other viruses that I haven't heard of, but this cleans 99.9% of those. And you guys know this is flu season. There are a lot of people out here coughing and sneezing, and we don't know what it is they're coughing and sneezing about, but yeah, let's make sure that our homes are as germ-free as possible. Okay, so I did place an order for the Method Daily Shower Cleaner. So it's naturally derived shower cleaner with eucalyptus mint. So you can clean without having to rinse. And it basically just says that you spray and go in your shower. It says that, let's see, let me find the English side. It says a spray per day keeps the scrubbing away. So you can effortlessly maintain the gleam on your clean tiles with our daily shower spray. With Power Green technology, it dissolves and prevents soap scum without giving you a moment's worry about creepy residue. Very little exertion required. We would say no exertion required, but you do have to engage your trigger finger. So this is good for showers, tile, fixtures, glass, and tubs. So you basically just spray this in the shower, and it just helps to get rid of or prevent soap scum. So I'm super duper excited about that. A little quote here, it says, "We think clean smells like fresh mint leaves, not chemicals." Right there. So that is super duper cute. The packaging is really cute. And again, this is the Method brand, and it is the Daily Shower Spray. And I have heard good things about this, so I'm excited to try this one as well. Okay, and then this next item that I have is just a bar of soap, and it's gonna come packaged. All of their items have been packaged very well for shipping to make sure that, you know, they stay safe and nothing leaks out. So I appreciate that very much. But this is a bar of the Lavender and Oatmeal soap. Let's see, it's a bar soap made with organic coconut and olive oils, and it just looks like this. And oh, it smells so good. I haven't even smelled, oh my gosh. Okay, so it says the best all natural ingredients you want in the long lasting bar soap you need. This soap gently exfoliates with oatmeal and calms the skin with lavender. Even better, it's long lasting and ultra mild, perfect for any and all skin types. So I'm super excited to try this. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. You can tell a natural product because you can actually see what it looks like, but it just looks like this. And you can actually see like the oatmeal inside it. And it smells amazing. It smells really, really good. So I'm excited to try that. And the next couple of items that I'm going to show you guys are all of the free products that I received with my order. Okay, so the first free item that I got is the Meyers Clean Day, and this is an everyday multi-surface cleaner to remove dirt and freshen surfaces, and this is the lemon verbena scent. Okay, so to go along with the multi-surface cleaner, I did get this free item as well. And it comes in this cute little canister set right here. But it's a 16-ounce spray bottle. You can see It's a 16-ounce spray bottle inside here, but it's a glass spray bottle, and we all know that glass is better than plastic, right? So what I may do is end up putting the multi-surface cleaner in here, and then I can just get rid of that plastic bottle. But this one also has a nice little pump on it as well, with a silicone base down here. And I think this is great because, you know, you can just throw it in the dishwasher, clean it out, put a new product in there, cleaning product in there, and just continue using the same bottle. Okay, and then the next item that I have, which was another free item, is this bottle of dish soap. And this is by the Meyers brand, and this is another lemon verbena scent as well, and it looks like this. Okay, so the next product that I have is by the Meyers brand as well, and it is the Meyers Clean Day Hand Soap. It's made with olive oil and aloe vera, and the scent in this one is lavender, and it just comes in a cute little bottle like this. Super duper cute, and I'll probably keep this at my kitchen sink as a hand soap or in my half bathroom down here. Okay, and I only have 2 items left, so I'll go ahead and go through those really quickly. The last 2 items that I picked up, one is the set of 2 scrubber sponges, and they are walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. Again, you get a 2-pack, so there's a sponge here and a scrubber down here. And they are, I think, yeah, so you get 2 scrubber sponges in the pack. And the last free item that I got is just this little tub here that I thought was so cute. I'll go ahead and take it out of the plastic. And it just says Grove Collaborative on the top here. And it's a cute little caddy to carry around all of your cleaning products. So it's a cleaning caddy. And I just thought that was really cute to help keep things organized. So if you have to like carry your cleaning products from downstairs to upstairs, you don't have to like wag everything in your arms. There's a cute little caddy you can put all of your products in. So yeah, super duper cute. Okay guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. Comment down below if you know this is something that you had never heard of before. This is your first time hearing about this company. Again, I will leave the link to their website or a link for you to sign up and place your own order and get started in receiving these products as well. But yeah, comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Also, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it so much. Also, don't forget to share this video. You can click the little share button down below, and you can share the link to this video with your social media, whether it's Google+, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever social media platform that you are on, and let everyone know that I'm over here informing you about the Grove Collaborative. No, this video is not sponsored, so I will go ahead and put that out there. This is just something that I'm interested in, and I thought I would share it with you guys as well. We all have to clean the space that we're living in, right? So especially right now, it's flu season. We want to be happy, healthy, and safe and start this new year off right. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.